Okay, let's check the compressor model of this machine. This 10 ton per day machine is equipped with only one 30 horsepower compressor. This is the compressor model. We can see that it's a 30 horsepower compressor. One 30 horsepower compressor is big enough for 10 ton per day capacity, where the other Chinese company are using 50 horsepower compressor. My machine is very power saving. One 30 horsepower compressor is big enough. This is the compressor, 30 horsepower, diesel, and this is the model. This is the model for 30 horsepower compressor. Okay, and this is the voltage, this is ampere, so we can see the running power is no more than 26 kilowatts when the machine is freezing. The machine is in function now. And its running power is no more than 26 kilowatts. This is very power saving. Power saving technology can make your ice business more profitable. My machine can make two kinds of ice, hollow ice tubes with holes, just like any other machines. Beside the hollow ice tubes, my machine also allows you to make solid ice cylinders. Solid ice cylinders with no holes. They are stronger ice than your competitors. So you can make stronger ice with lower electricity consumption, and that is the key to win in the ice market. Later, I'm going to put my camera here so we can check the quality of ice made by the machine. We're going to see solid ice cylinders with no holes coming out from this outlet. Okay? Okay. The ice will come out very soon. Let's put the camera here so we can check the solid ice cylinder made by the machine. Solid ice cylinder, no holes, stronger ice than other competitors in the ice market. All of them are solid ice cylinder, no holes.